Glossybox Easter Egg 2023 Full Unboxing. Revolution Forever Limitless Allure Palette Full Size 20 pounds. How gorgeous this palette! Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Deluxe Sample Size worth 35 pounds. Vita Liberata Gradual Tanning Lotion Deluxe Sample Size worth 6 pounds. Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream Full Size worth 98 pounds. Hawaiian Tropic Golden Paradise Travel Size worth 6 pounds. Hair Syrup The Original Full Size worth 13 pounds and 95 pence. Frank Body Rose Gold Shimmer Scrub Full Size worth 15 pounds and 95 pence. Liz Earl Smooth and Glow Exfoliating Tonic Travel Size worth 6 pounds. Berry M Lip Liner Full Size worth 3 pounds and 49 pence. Cheek Bamboo Bronzer Travel Size worth 8 pounds. Full unboxing very soon on my YouTube channel Unboxing with Yayca.